Shandong ZCST Special Vehicle Manufacturing Company Limited, was founded in 2022 and now applying to become a pilot enterprise for exporting new energy vehicles. Since we launched export business of new energy passenger vehicles, our business volume has increased month by month. We mainly focusing export all kinds of electric vehicle and new energy hybrid vehicles. At the same time, we have carried out business construction and overseas employee training with overseas companies, which have strengthened our core service capabilities and accelerated the group's internationalization process. Until now, we have tens overseas and domestic employees working on foreign trade business. Among them, 2 mainly focus on overseas live broadcasting, relying on international social media to promote and receive orders. Other colleagues are engaged in Alibaba International Station platforms and online websites. In order to enhance company competitiveness online, we have invested nearly 1 million RMB to the platform, bought out over 100 keywords for sponsor listing and top banner position keywords of new energy vehicle brands and models. At present, we have more than 30 stable cooperation overseas dealer customers and more than 300 individual buyers. Company already completed 600 vehicles of various new energy passenger vehicle export, with an average monthly shipment of 75 vehicles. At last, we sincere hope that we can bring you our service that you have never enjoyed.